Hello guys, let's take a look at the new toy cars in the beach. Wow, look at this. This is one of the airplane or toy car. Look at this. Wow, beautiful airplane. Wow, nice. Okay, look for the other. Look at this, all floating. All new toy cars are floating. Wow, look at this. Wow, beautiful toy car here in the beach. Wow, two more in here. Wow, nice. And we found another one here too. Look at this. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's in the water. Look at this. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Wow, look at all of this. They're under the water. Wow, look at this. Beautiful toy cars. Beautiful toy car here in the beach. Wow. Nice. Nice toy car. Okay, find some more. Wow, look at this. It's all floating. Wow, look at all these toy cars here floating in the water. Okay. Wow, nice. Wow, look at this. Wow, another one here. Wow, another one in here. Wow. Okay, all toy car here at the beach. Beautiful. Beautiful toy car. Wow, look at this. Wow, here under the water, you know, beautiful waves. Wow, beautiful waves. All toy cars here in the whale, in the beach. Oh, beautiful. Okay, another one. Wow, look at this. There are many of them in here. Wow, look at the motorbike, airplane, and this is airplane, motorbike, and this is a motorbike also, and school bus. Wow, beautiful.